Today we can study about basics of embryology. First of all, what are the stages of embryology? And this include maturation of gametes, fertilization, cleavage, blastula, gastrula, and neurula. Then what is fertilization? Fertilization means the process of fusion of spermatozoa with mature ovum, and it begins with sperm egg collision and ends with production of mononucleated single cell called zygote. Fertilization occurs in ambulatory portion of fallopian tube, and the fertilizable lifespan of oocyte ranges from 12 to 24 hours and sperm from 48 to 72 hours. Structure of a mature ovum. Ovum consists of cytoplasm, nucleus, surrounded by cell membrane known as vitelline membrane. Outer transparent leukoprotein membrane is known as zona pellucida. Outermost covering made of granulosa cells is known as corona radiata. This is the picture showing anatomy of ova. When structure of a spermatozoa, this contains head, tail, and head consists of nucleus, acrosomal cap. Tail consists of neck, middle piece, incipit piece, and end piece. Then structure of the sperm. This is a picture showing the structure of the sperm. The contact and fusion of gametes consist of mainly first of all sperm capacitation, then acrosomal reaction, completion of second meiotic division of oocyte, fusion of male and female pronuclei. Then fertilization. First of all, sperm penetrates corona radiata, then it penetrates zona pellucida, then combines with the male pronucleus and forms zygote. And cleavage. First of all, during first stage of development, zygote undergoes cleavage traveling down the oviduct. First of all, zygote becomes two cell stage after 30 hours. Then it turns to 4 cell, then 8 cell, 12 cell, and 16, 32 cell stage. Morula is 16 cell stage having inner cell mass which forms embryo proper and outer cell mass which forms protective and nutritive layer. Blastocyst, that is, morula after entering nutrient cavity absorbs fluid from nutrient cavity and it forms blastocyst. This consists of inner cell mass which forms embryoblast, outer cell mass which forms trophoblast. Blastocyst loses zona pellucida and on 6 to 7 weeks it gets implanted. Implantation, invasion, and nesting consist of 4 stages: adhesion, penetration, invasion. Then this is the picture showing fate of ovum from ovulation to implantation. Changes of endometrium after implantation. This is known as residua. Residua consists of 3 layers: superficial compact layer, intermediate spongy layer, and basal layer. Residua basalis, part of the residua which is in contact with the base of the blastocyst. Residua capsularis, thin superficial compact layer covering blastocyst. Residua paritalis, rest of residua lining uterine cavity outside the site of implantation. In this picture, you can see residua basalis, capsularis, and paritalis. Then, on second week, after implantation of blastocyst, on 7 to 8 day, trophoblast differentiates to syncytial trophoblast and cytotrophoblast. And there will be formation of bilaminar disc. Embryoblast will differentiate to epiblast and hypoblast. In the picture, we can see syncytial trophoblast, epiblast, hypoblast, cytotrophoblast. Small cavity appears within primitive ectoderm, which is known as amniotic cavity. As amniotic cavity enlarges, single layer of squamous cells form a dome-like roof above the epiblast called amnion. Amnion forms the roof of amniotic cavity and the epiblast forms the floor. Development of yolk sac. 8 days after fertilization, cells at the edge of fibroblast migrate and cover in the surface of blastocyst. And this forms a thin membrane, which is known as exozygomatic membrane. Together with fibroblast, exozygomatic membrane forms the walls of yolk sac. Bilaminar disc now between yolk sac and amniotic cavity. Okay, in the picture we can see the formation of bilaminar disc. Okay, then development of extra-embryonic serum. 12 days after fertilization, extra-embryonic mesoderm will develop from the yolk cell and forms connective tissue layer. Large number of cavities used to form large cavity, and this is known as extra-embryonic serum. In the picture, we can see the extra-embryonic coelom secondary yolk sac. The development of choreo. Extra-embryonic mesoderm together with two layers of trophoblast forms choreo, and this becomes embryonic part of placenta. By the end of second week of development, bilaminar embryonic become connected to trophoblast by a band of extra-embryonic mesoderm called connecting star. This connecting star is featured on the cord. Gastrulation means the formation of trilaminar disc. That is, trilaminar disc consists mainly primarily three germinates, that is ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. Then, from the endoderm, there arises digestive system, liver, pancreas, lungs, mesoderm, circulatory system, lungs, skeletal system, muscular system, ectoderm, hair, nail, skin, and nervous system. The nucleation means by the end of third week, neural plate forms. About 4 weeks, the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain is formed. This is all about the basics of reproduction. Okay.